Hey, what's up? Bertrand here from Design, and today I wanted to introduce you to our to my new product called Kraaft. So first, why Kraaft? So now, for the past 10 years or a bit more, I've been focusing on creating graphic design software mainly. So like things that has to do with creating visuals. And a couple of years ago, I did a test with something that was called GPT Design. It's now the written content module in Design, and it turned out that this is one of our most used products. People really like our writing AI tool, and so I realized, there is a way we can help people there because like writing and text is at the heart of everything. Everything starts with words essentially. But GPT Design or the written content module in Design is a bit too broad. It does a lot of different things, which works. People love it. But I wanted to see if by focusing on a single writing task, I could come up with a better solution. And this is what I'm going to demo to you with a Kraaft emails today. So Kraaft emails is a solution I developed because emails are very important. Like email marketing is essentially a big part of my business. It helped me generate a ton of revenues. And writing email is almost like it's a daily thing. It's a great way to generate traffic and attention to your offers. And so I wanted to develop a software that I would use that would answer all the needs I have when it comes to writing emails for campaigns, and that like simplifies my life. Okay, and this is what I think I achieved with Kraaft, and I want to demo that to you today. So with Kraaft emails, the first thing you want to do is to create a new project. So I found this company called Yoga Room here, which is a yoga studio in Brussels. So we're going to use that as a base. Okay, so the project name, so this is the company name, is going to be Yoga Room. The website is yogaroom.be. And for the data source, so this is basically how we give the AI the information about our business. I can either write some information about the business, or I can upload the document, or I can speak about it. I can use the recording feature. But for now, let's do the upload document, and I'll show you the other methods in the rest of the example. So I essentially exported this website to PDF, okay, here. And then it asks me for a sample, like email or sample writing. Okay, so this is to help the AI to calibrate the tone and the way the business speaks, and not be a generic text writer in a sense. So I just pasted this section from their website, which I think encapsulates the way they talk, and now I'm going to submit it. So now I can see my project is here, yogaroom.be, and if I just click on it, now I can go into campaigns. So a campaign is a sequence of emails, essentially. So basically, usually emails come in a sequence. They don't come often as a one-off, right? Unless it's like a weekly newsletter. But let's say I wanted to do a specific campaign to promote this class, which is a 200-hour yoga teacher training class. Okay, so I'll just come here. I'll copy these details. And then I go back to my Kraaft here. And so the campaign name, I'm going to call it 200-hour yoga class. And the campaign objective, I'm going to write the objective of this campaign is to promote my 200-hour yoga training class. Okay, and then I'll paste the details from that page right here. So I'll copy and paste, or I'll paste in that case. So now I have all the details from that 200-hour class, all the text right here, and I submit. Okay, so now the AI, the system knows what my company is about from the initial setup we did at the project level, and it also knows what the campaign is about. So now, if I click on the campaign, I'll go into the emails and I'll just hit start writing. And so what's going to happen is that in the background, it's going to take all the info it has so far on the project, and it's going to essentially write it out. Okay, so I'm recording this in real time. So we'll have a loader thing spinning icon shortly, but for now, you can see it took about 20 seconds. And here we have the first email. So subject line, start your journey with our 200-hour yoga teacher training. And then the email body, we believe in a world transformed by the power of yoga. Join our 200-hour teacher training. What can you anticipate? Here are the details. So you can see the starting date, the schedule. So this is all taken from this copy and paste here. You know, it just picked the starting date, the schedule, investment in your future, the pricing. So it also took the correct price and the correct discount from that page. And it ends with a namaste. Here we have some call to action. I want to join. And then there is a nice little footer part here. Okay, so this is the first email. Now, watch this. Let's say I want to create the second email in this second. So I'll click on next email. And this time, instead of writing the instruction, I'm going to speak them. Okay, so I'll hit the record button here, and I will tell what I want for the second email. So I need to allow. All right, so for the second email, the objective is to focus on the benefits of becoming a yoga teacher, a certified yoga teacher. Okay, so now I have recorded my instructions, and this is the way I wanted it, because in my workflow, when I was working with an email, a copywriter or someone helping me with emails, like sometimes they would send a version of something and I would need to tell them, okay, this needs to be changed. So again, this is, I built this software for myself, a heavy email user. And so this feature is really in line with that, the ability to speak about your email. So then I will submit. So now the second email is being generated. So we're going to give it a second here. Sorry, the neighbor's dog, the dog's barking. And so while it generates, what can I mention? Okay, so there is an editing feature as well where you can edit the emails. I'll show you that in a second. But essentially now, what it has done is that it has taken the first email into context, so it's not starting like from scratch. And based on the spoken instructions I gave it, it's writing the second email. So you can see the subject line, unlock a world of opportunities as a certified yoga teacher. If you remember, the instructions I gave it was to focus on the benefits, okay? So are you ready to discover or becoming a yoga teacher? So empower others, deepen your own practice, diverse career pathway, join a global community, continuous learning, inspire change. So these are all the benefits. So it's all the benefits of this particular campaign in relation to the first email. And so this is how we built. I built something very coherent, because most, software that you will see that write text for you or things for you, they don't take the context into consideration. So this is very powerful in the sense that it takes the context. So then for the third email, I just click on next email. I'm gonna say focus on the fact that this is the last day to buy this offer. So for the next email, please focus on the fact that this is the last day to buy this offer and the discount ends today.
J'avais jamais vu que il y a de la cote.
So now we stop and we submit. So we have our first email here, we have our second email, and the third is being written. So yeah, this is extremely powerful because writing email is essential. Obviously, you can edit those, and I'm going to show you how it works. So you can see the final email, final call, your early bird offer expires tonight, blah, 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 commit to your growth, enroll now and save. And basically, so time is of the essence, and procrastination is a thief of opportunity. Make the choice to invest in yourself, your dreams. So it's greatly written. It's in line with the style of the company. And it's just beautiful. It really works very nicely. So then I can also edit the email. And how I can edit the email, I can write rewriting instructions. I can say, can you make this email longer, for instance? I can speak it. I can also say, can you make it longer? Or I can edit manually, because sometimes, you want to make these more your own. So there, if I don't like some of the wording it uses, here, make the choice to invest in yourself. I would say make the choice to get started today. Click below to enroll. So basically, I can edit the whole text. And then if I submit, we can see here, make the choice to get started today. So it edited it. Okay. So that's essentially what Kraaft emails does. It's an amazing tool for creating emails for yourself, for your clients. And basically, I'm very excited to bring it to your attention tomorrow. If you like to learn more about it and eventually get a chance to purchase it and as well support us in our efforts, you'll be welcome to do so. Simply enter your email in the sign-up form next to me or below me. And then when this goes live, we'll tell you more about it. If you choose not to put your email, we won't email you about it. We won't mention it to you. So really show us if you have interest in this product. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.